need to warm up. Oh my God, that's it, yo. For handballsocial.com.
He's crazy. Wow, Will's warmed up. Don't let me get on the court, I'll fuck you up.
Got that, man. Come on. Set up. Out it. Hold it. Same score, second serve.
Oh shit. Oh, you had him, Will. You had that motherfucker.
Diego wants to know, do you have another red shirt?
I gave them all out. I'll get them all.
No, you know why? Because he's sitting on the bench. I don't know if I'm going to say what's up to him. I will. He was saying that's the shirt that he got stabbed. The hand, well, yeah, with the red shirt. So he goes, yeah, I need another one.
Okay.
I didn't want to be the one if I could walk over and tell you, but I
We'll get him.
walk over there.
We're gonna get. I said hello to you guys. You were
Nah,
talking.
you didn't come that way.
Okay. I'll be over there in a second.
Yeah.
Good seeing you, Mike.
Yo, don't look at it. Walk away. Please, I'm begging you. He knows. Thank you. He knows. Thank you. Get some close-ups. We're about to go to that
Salim, what's the score?
Grab that shit. He's a 1-2. He's a 1-2. Oh, my primal speed, baby. Touchdown. 5-up. Yeah. Touchdown. Yeah, what the fuck? Baby, you gotta die. Estoy comiendo en la casa. I don't know what the fuck means I'm the greater. Go for the shot and dive. Break that belly up. Cool. Hold it. Exactly, right? Exactly. On, straight! Wow. I can see it, but straight! Got it. Okay. Thank you, Salim. That's us, Salim. Okay. Thanks, yeah. Okay. That's fine. Yeah. Yo, serve it to my guy. Salim. Don't look at it, Salim. Get it. No. Fudge! Touch your ass on the pond, bro. Full off, full five. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. Stop running up in the middle, run up inside. Nowhere near your pond. Let me get this. Just a little bit. Hey, you fucking suck, Jack. Yo, stop it, bro. Stop it, fuck ass.
Stay over there, I got you. Yeah, my bad. I got you over there. I thought you were going to come more in the middle, bro. Good get, bro. Good shit, bro. Good get. Wait. I was fucking running right to you and shit, yo. You good though? Yeah, I'm about to Come on! About 16 years out as well.
Don't be dissing it going like that.
Good get. That was fucking sick.
Scored enough for my ass.
What's your score, Will? 16-9? Oh, you're up.
Will! There's this run for the shot. Fucking step on him.
I'm gonna move away.
Jay, stop move out the way. Yeah. Really move out the way, please. I didn't know if he was going for it. No, it's not your body shift now. Next up.
Even though I should have called it. That's the only program in the game now.
Talk that shit. Because y'all don't want to be under 10. When you lose. You want to make something manageable.
I'm still going to fight. You know, I'm still going to fight.
I know. I never doubt you. I know you feel good. All right. Come on, Lou.
Jay wanted that shot. Jay,
You got the point.
Play with some power. Let's go.
Jay, partner. Jay was liking it. Ow.
Everybody's on your dick. Yeah, everybody's on your dick.
Yeah, man, it's so exclusive for you, baby.
Oh, shit. Oh, I'm not in the middle of that. I think he fucked you up.
Whoa, 17. 17. Yeah, 17, 14.
No, oh, he's 18 right now.
He's 18?
It doesn't matter point. That shit not good. You're right, nice shot. You got me down.
No, use your right then. No! Come on! Come on, man!
You on forward side, take the shot.
I know, but I believe in you!
I don't believe in me.
I do! I always do!
Believe in the wrong black guys.
That's why you call you Black Jesus. Come on, bro. We brought them together, bro. 1914.
that's his own shit.
Oh shit. Oh. Yikes. What's the score here, Mike?
19 something.
Wow, Bio.
Salim, thank you, Salim. No, Salim, no, wrong ball, Salim. Thank you, Salim. 19.
Yo, everybody likes a comeback, Jay. Oh my God. How many times you say that in the mirror a day, Jay? How many times you say that in the mirror every day? My channel's sucking ass without Jay on it. Oh, come on, Jay. You can't say shit like that and then fuck up. Oh, shit. That was good? Bio, your shot was good?
Wow. I break my neck, that's for that.
You mad?
I run up and I brick wall over there.
Wow, Jay, good. That was a good shot. I'm impressed, Jay.
Rub it out. Rub it out, rub it out. See that? Radio boy, radio over there? Yeah, it came back. Somewhere. Africa?
That's a quick trip, Mike. It's like some hyperspace shit. Ooh, you almost aced you.
Well, please.
Let me get that one, Jay. Take it back. I don't know how I picked the last two.
Come on, Bio. Shit, you're crazy. Come back, Jay. Everybody likes to come back. Mike, you're an honest guy. Good for you. I heard it. Went. Shorty.
should have said it before he hit it. No, I got a shot.